So, what did I use these two little strange looking parts for? Stick around, I'll tell you all about it. Welcome to 3D Accuracy, where I'll talk about 3D printing, 3D product design, and 3D injection and die-cast mold design. Well, this is really quite a simple part, actually. It doesn't get much easier than this as far as designing it or 3D printing it. It's blue ABS and printed in the machine directly behind me here. And what I use this for is these are two alignment pins. I had a large part that had holes in it, and I needed to attach the two large parts together. And of course, they needed to be aligned properly. So I designed and printed these pieces to put into the two pieces and hold them in position properly while they were being attached to each other. So that's what it is, plain and simple, but very, very useful when you need something and you can just design and print it and go. I love it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you're ever in need of 3D product design, 3D injection mold design, 3D die-cast mold design, or 3D printed prototypes or production parts, please feel free to contact me. You can find contact information in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and to being of service to you. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. See you on 3D Accuracy's next video.